Here we are. We're North Wilkesboro at the track off of Fishing Creek Road, so we're behind. John is going to fly his drone. It's our anniversary weekend celebration. We're making a little detour here and then we're going to find a picnic spot. John's pretty excited to fly his drone over this track. Been having a great time listening to Sirius XM. We know all the words to all the songs.
So we're heading to the mountains for a little anniversary weekend, midweek, and this is the old Speedway, Wilkesboro Motor Speedway, and look, they still got the Winston Cup Series sign there. There's the South Grandstand. No, you can't go in there, but you could fly a drone. Be strong. Wilkesboro Speedway. Come up here just to see. Now you can't go in here, of course, but you can at least just see. But it was crowded as heck in the day, and everybody wanted to come to this race. This guy was probably selling parking spots right there in his farmland. What a pretty place to come to, though, you know. There it is. So you can still see the NASCAR Winston.
Very sad.
Yeah, I like these small tracks. So pretty out here. Here at Blowing Rock in the downtown area. It's cool out. I'm wearing shorts though. I feel pretty comfortable. Timberlake Art Gallery is now a mellow mushroom pizza place. These little motels are really done up nice. Oh, this coffee's so hot it's burning my hand. Got some organic coffee, it was killer. If you're here, it's right around the corner. I gotta put this down for a minute. Good Lord, that's hot. How nice they set this stuff up. Look at that. Oh, that is alien. They really did that up nice. Might have to stay there next time. Our room is amazing though. So this is where we're staying, Meadowbrook. Oh, we got ducks. We got a pool. If you want to use the pool, you make a reservation. You get the whole pool to yourself for 45 minutes. That's pretty good. We got a little waterfall here. Couple bridges. Get some ducks. We got a patio right outside our living room. You just walk right out. So I've been to Blowing Rock a few times. I've never been to the Blowing Rock. So I'm here at the official The Blowing Rock. Wow, look at that view. Well, imagine living there. Okay, so this is Blackberry Overlook. It's cool the way the clouds are like that. Smoky Mountains. Okay, so nature trail. Oh, she could have sat over here. Look at these rocks are angled. What a cool park, though. Okay, we are at Moses Cone. Oh yeah, look at the house. Needs to be painted pretty bad, huh? Not looking too nice. A little rough. But yeah, they need to power wash this and paint it. Such a shame. I got photos of this place in full foliage. We may have missed most of the stuff here, but we found this road. It was like a shortcut. The GPS took us down it, and it was like crazy. Oh wow, look at over here. Really nice park there. Look at this, the stone road. The rock is like coming into the road. Azalea. We're trying to cut over from the Blue Ridge Parkway to Banner Elk.
Testing your
In
tires.
half a mile, turn left.
Looks like we're entering a club or something. Didn't we come down here once before? Oh, golf course. Look at those. Old Schulz Mill Road. This is the Hound Ears Club.
At end of the road, turn left onto Old Shoals Mill Road.